Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Blend & Go is probably one of the most versatile kitchen gadgets you can own, offering a convenient way to whip up smoothies, shakes, and even baby food on the go. Imagine starting your day with a perfectly blended, nutrient-packed drink ready in seconds, or quickly preparing a healthy snack after a workout without the hassle of multiple appliances. This portable blender promises to simplify your routine, making healthy eating more accessible and enjoyable whether you're at home, at the office, or traveling. Number 5. Calphalon 24 ounces Portable Blend & Go Smoothie Cup. Introducing the Calphalon 24 ounces Portable Blend & Go Smoothie Cup. It precisely blends your ingredients all on its own, delivering perfect results every time. With a powerful 1,200-watt motor, this blender handles all your blending needs with ease. It's designed for optimal performance and consistent results. Enjoy 5 distinct food settings: smoothie, salsa, milkshake, frozen drink, and juice. You can also choose between thick or thin results for customized blends. Featuring reversible motor technology, it ensures an even and consistent blend. The Add Liquid indicator even notifies you when more liquid is needed. This portable cup is perfect for busy lifestyles. Blend your favorite drinks and take them with you wherever you go, hassle-free. What we like. This blender precisely blends all on its own, taking the guesswork out of your smoothies. If you're looking for a powerful and intelligent blender that adapts to your ingredients, this is the one. Its multiple settings and consistency options make it perfect for anyone who wants perfect results every time. What people say. The Blend & Go is a fantastic blender that makes smoothies quickly and easily. I love how portable and convenient the Blend & Go is. It's perfect for taking to the gym or office. The Blend & Go is surprisingly powerful for its size, blending ice and frozen fruit with no problem. Number 4. Zulay Froth & Go Milk Frother. Achieve rich, creamy foam for your favorite drinks in just seconds. Its powerful motor works with all types of milk, creating perfect froth every time. Enjoy up to 100 drinks on a single charge thanks to its long-lasting lithium battery. Convenient USB-C charging gets you back to frothing in no time. This versatile tool comes with 3 attachments: a single whisk, a double whisk, and an egg beater. It's perfect for frothing, whipping, and mixing all your ingredients. Take it anywhere with the included durable travel case. Keep all the attachments organized and protected, whether you're at home or on the go. Its compact and cordless design makes it incredibly portable and easy to store. Cleaning is a breeze, just rinse the whisks and wipe the handle. Crafted with a durable matte finish body and rust-resistant stainless steel whisks. This ensures long-term reliability for countless uses. What we like. Get barista-quality foam in seconds with this versatile frother. If you love lattes, cappuccinos, or protein shakes and want to make them at home or on the go, this is your perfect companion. Its rechargeable battery and included travel case make it incredibly convenient for busy lifestyles. What people say. This blender is great for smoothies and protein shakes. It's easy to use and clean. The portable design makes it convenient for on the go. Number 3. Calphalon Auto Speed Blender. Introducing the Calphalon Auto Speed Blender, designed to make your life easier. Experience powerful blending performance with its innovative features. Its dual-direction, 6-point stainless steel blades are engineered to pulverize ingredients in mere seconds. Achieve perfectly smooth textures every time. With a robust 1,100-watt motor, this appliance handles even the toughest ingredients with ease. Enjoy consistent and powerful performance. The 68-ounce jar is crafted from BPA-free tritan, offering ample space for all your creations. Blend large batches without worry. Explore 10 speed settings, including 4 preset programs for smoothies, dips, salsas, and milkshakes. Pulse and reverse pulse functions offer complete control. Take your creations with you using the included 25-ounce Blend & Go Smoothie Cup. Perfect for busy mornings and active lifestyles. This blender comes with a 10-year warranty, ensuring its durability and your peace of mind. Invest in quality that endures. What we like. This blender offers a powerful motor and a large capacity for all your blending needs. If you're a busy household or someone who entertains frequently, its generous jar size is ideal. Plus, with a 10-year warranty, you can be confident in its long-term durability. What people say. The Blend-n-Go is easy to use and clean. It's powerful enough to blend frozen fruit smoothly. The portable design makes it convenient for on-the-go use. Number 2. Laura Geller Baked Balance-n-Brighten Golden Medium. Introducing the travel size version of our beloved Balance-n-Brighten. It's your secret weapon for flawless skin on the go. This baked foundation delivers a smooth, natural finish that evens out your skin tone. Achieve a radiant complexion with just a few sweeps. Specifically formulated for golden medium complexions, it blends seamlessly. Enjoy a lit from within glow that looks like your skin, only better. Its travel-friendly size makes it perfect for your purse or carry-on. Touch up anytime, anywhere for a consistently beautiful look. Experience the unique baked formula that adapts to your skin. It's the easy way to achieve a balanced and bright appearance, no matter where you are. What we like. Achieve a natural, radiant glow with this baked Balance-n-Brighten product. If you're looking for a convenient, travel-friendly makeup option that provides a luminous finish, this is a great choice. Its unique baked formula ensures a smooth application and a beautiful, healthy-looking complexion. What people say. The Blend-n-Go is a great blender for smoothies. It is easy to use and clean. The portable design makes it convenient for on-the-go use. Number 1. Oster Classic Series 20-ounce replacement cups. Introducing our 2-pack of 20-ounce replacement cups with lids, designed to perfectly fit your Oster Classic Series blender. Enjoy making your favorite smoothies and beverages with ease. These cups are compatible with a wide range of Oster Classic Series blenders, including the Blend-n-Go Smoothie Kit models. You can be confident they will work with your existing blender. Our replacement cups are designed for numerous Oster blender models, ensuring a great fit for many of your favorite machines. Check the list to confirm compatibility with yours. These 20-ounce cups are perfect for single servings and come with secure lids for on-the-go convenience. They are an ideal addition to your blending routine. To keep your replacement cups in the best condition, please remember that they are hand wash only. This simple care will ensure they last. Don't let a missing or worn-out cup stop your blending. This set includes 2 20-ounce cups and lids, ready to replace your old ones and get you back to making delicious drinks. What we like. These replacement cups are designed to be compatible with a wide range of Oster blenders. If you own an Oster Classic Series blender and need extra or replacement smoothie cups, these are a practical solution. They offer a direct fit for many popular models, ensuring you can continue making your favorite blends. What people say. The Blend-n-Go is a fantastic blender, perfect for making smoothies on the go. It's powerful enough to crush ice and frozen fruit with ease. The compact design makes it easy to store and transport. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.